Everybody wants to know how I do it. Fruits like this can't resist. Start by cutting some strawberries. In total, I used a little box. Cut into very small pieces. Also cut some grapes too. 15 units in total, and also cut into smaller pieces. In a saucepan, add 400 grams of sour cream, 395 grams of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 yolk, and now mix all this very well until it starts to boil. When it's boiled, we can turn it off. Book next door. On a platter, add all the fruits. If you want, you can use the fruits of your choice. After mixing everything, take the cream and pour over. And for our dessert to get even better, melt 150 grams of chocolate and then add 200 grams of sour cream to make a ganache. Now just pour over the platter. It's ready. Refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Look how amazing this dessert is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast recipe, easy and simple to be made. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.